Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel Space Age Parenting. I am Manisha Chaudhary, done Child Psychology from Yale University of USA. In parents-teacher meeting, most of the parents are concerned that child doesn't study. I am sure most of you are facing or have faced the similar problem. That's why today I have brought this topic, how to encourage kids to study. Child doesn't study because child doesn't like to study. Basically, inside child there is no emotions, no energy and no attachment for the study. As a result, automatically laziness and distraction will come while studying. Child cries while going to school because inside child there is no emotions, no energy and no attachment for study. So what to do to avoid this situation? It is very important to motivate your child. I am having one technique which you can use to motivate your child. First is never poke your child for study. It means don't tell your child go for study again and again. If you do like this, then child will understand that you are giving him order and he will take that order on his ego and definitely he will not study. So, by poking, you can't encourage your child. Then what to do? I am having another solution. This flowchart I made, it will help you to motivate your child. First step is spend time with kids. It will help you to get it know your child's dream. Once you get it know about your child's dream, now you relate your child's dream with EEA by showing pictures and videos related to your child's dream. Here EEA refers to emotions, energy and attachment. Now child will have strong EEA. Now child will get motivated to study and spontaneously your child will get encouraged to study. Let me explain this concept by using an example. Take a case of one child named Bhumi. I am just taking a hypothetical name. Mama spends time with Bhumi. Mama says with lots of affection and care, Beta Bhumi, what do you want to be? Bhumi says, I want to be an astronaut. Now Mama says, once you become an astronaut, what will you do? Now Bhumi says, with lots of excitement, I will go on moon. Now see, Mama has got clarity what her child Bhumi wants to be, that is an astronaut. Now Mama will do third step, that is she will relate Bhumi's dream with EEA by showing pictures and videos of profession of an astronaut. She will tell story of Kalpana Chawla. This act of Mama will create positive interest and impact about profession astronaut in Bhumi's mind. Now Mama will say to Bhumi, Bhumi, you can become an astronaut when you will study. Now see how nicely Mama has created study as a route to achieve the goal that is to become an astronaut. Friends, once you feed in child's mind that study is required to achieve the goal, definitely your child will study. So, crux of this story is, number 1, try to know your child's dream. Number 2, Make that dream stronger and stronger by showing pictures and videos related to your child's dream. Third is relate study as a tool to achieve the dream. This technique will help you to motivate your child. Friends, hope you like this video. Please don't forget to press like and subscribe button along with a bell icon. In my next video, I will share with you how to make study interesting, attractive and child-centered. Till then, goodbye.